Welcome back to Top 3 Hotels. If you are looking for an affordable vacation destination, then Hurghada is the best choice for you. Please watch this video to the end because we will share with you tips and tricks on how to find the lowest possible rates for hotels and flights. Hurghada city has year-round sunlight, stunning gorgeous coral reefs, and hundreds of interesting activities in a laid-back, relaxed atmosphere spanning over 40 kilometers of beautiful shoreline. Even so, it is a top 3 diving destination on the globe. It provides something for everyone, even non-divers. Beach fun, extreme water sports, partying and golfing are just a few of the alternatives. You may also have a very peaceful vacation by reserving a treatment or a tour at one of the Hurghada's top spas. Hurghada, the Red Sea Riviera's capital, is located south of Suez and 550 kilometers from Cairo. Hurghada is accessible via ferry from Sharm el-Sheikh, the road from Luxor, and the Hurghada International Airport. The weather is pleasant all year, but with Hurghada's dry desert environment, you can expect significant temperature change between day and night. Days are hot, while nights may be rather chilly, especially during the winter months. Before we continue, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. We really need your support. Number 5. Sunrise Crystal Bay Resort Grand Select. The beach is about 4-minute walk away. Sunrise Crystal Bay Resort is a 5-star resort in Hurghada that offers luxury accommodations and free private beach area. It has 3 outdoor pools and disco bar and 6 restaurants. All air-conditioned rooms at Sunrise Crystal Bay Resort have a balcony and modern decor. Other rooms feature views of the Red Sea, while some suites have a hot tub or private pool. Each room and suite has a 40-inch LED TV and private bathroom. You may choose from a wide range of gastronomic delights at the Sunrise Crystal's Vice Buffet or a la carte restaurants, which provide Mediterranean, Indian grilled, or vegetarian food. There is a 24-room service as well as bars selling drinks and other delicious beverages. There is a cost for diving and snorkeling. Take a sauna, hot tub or Turkish steam bath, or swim in the lagoon-shaped outdoor pool. You may also use the gym, tennis court, gaming room for free. The resort is 5-minute drive from Senso Mall, and Hurghada city center is 25 kilometers away. Hurghada International Airport is 15 minutes distant by car. You can check the prices and more information about this hotel on the video description. If you want to find the cheapest possible flight tickets to Hurghada, you can find it on BNXAvia. You can find the link below. BNXAvia will save you money and time. Number 4. Sunrise Garden Beach Resort. The beach is about 4-minute walk away. This 5-star all-inclusive hotel on the Red Sea coast of Hurghada provides exclusive beach access and international diving facility. It has 3 pools, 3 restaurants, and spa and wellness centers. In Sunrise Select Garden Beach Resort, guest rooms all offer air conditioning, a minibar, and satellite TV. In addition, each accommodation includes a balcony or patio with views of garden, pool, or sea. Guests may eat at one of the 3 restaurants, which provide Italian, Oriental, and international cuisine. In addition, the Sunrise Select Garden Beach Resort has 2 pubs and 4 bars, including a pool bar and the beach bar. The hotel features extensive recreation facilities including floodlit tennis courts, a beach volleyball court, archery, horseback riding, and full-size football pitch. The Hurghada Spa is also on site, where guests may relax with a massage or cosmetic treatment. The resort offers a modern aquapark with 8 slides and a kids' play zone with slides designed for small kids. Hurghada International Airport is 13 kilometers away from Sunrise Select Garden Beach Resort and Spa. On-site parking is free. If you want to find the cheapest prices for this hotel, please check the video description. You can find the cheaper price than on booking.com. We tried so much to make this video as informative as we can, so please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Number 3. Prime Life Makadi. In Hurghada, the Prime Life Makadi features a fitness center, bar, communal lounge, and garden. This facility has a restaurant and a water park and outdoor pool, as well as a 24-hour front desk. Guests may make use of the room service, a kids club, or currency exchange at the hotel. The hotel's guest rooms all provide air conditioning, a seating area, a flat-screen TV with satellite channels, a safety deposit box, and a private bathroom with a shower, a hairdryer, and complementary amenities. Some units at the Prima of Makadi offer pool views, and all rooms have a terrace. All rooms at the hotel include bed linen and towels. Breakfast is served either continentally or buffet style at Prime Life Makadi. The resort has 5-star accommodations as well as a hot tub and playground for children. Prime Life Makadi offers table tennis, darts, and tennis. Popular nearby attractions include Fort Arabisco Beach, Thai Heights Makadi Beach, and Makadi Beach. Hurghada International Airport is just 33 kilometers away from Prime Life Makadi. If you want to order an affordable airport transfer service, you can check the video description. You can also find the link to find the prices of Prime Life Makadi and more information about the hotel. Number 2. Steigenberger Pure Lifestyle. The beach is only a 1-minute walk away from this property. The adults-only Steigenberger Pure Lifestyle in Hurghada has a fitness center, a bar, and garden. This facility has a restaurant, a water park, and an outdoor pool, as well as a 24-hour front desk. There is a hot tub on the premises, as well as the evening entertainment and room service. The resort's accommodations are equipped with a coffee machine. Breakfast is served either continentally or buffet style at Steigenberger Pure Lifestyle. We kindly ask you to support our channel with your subscriptions. Please also don't forget to share your thoughts, it's very significant for us. Number 1. Serenity Fun City. The beach is about an 8-minute walk away. Serenity Fun City Resort is located in Hurghada and has an aqua park as well as a full entertainment center. This resort has Wi-Fi connectivity in the lobby. This hotel has an outdoor pool, a gym, and spa. The hotel features one main restaurant, 5 a la carte restaurants: Italian, Oriental, Asian, French, Mexican, and food court. Furthermore, Fun City Makadi features 4 spacious bars located in the lobby or at the swimming pools with an aqua park view. There will be satellite TV and a minibar in your room. The private bathroom has a bath or shower as well as a hairdryer and free supplies. Serenity Fun City Resort has a shared beach with a sister hotel as well as a tennis court. A shared lounge and gaming area are also available at the facility. Snorkeling and diving are only 2 of the activities available on site or in nearby area. The hotel provides 3 meeting rooms that are fully equipped with all business facilities. Luna Park is a one-of-kind amusement park that cannot be found in any Red Sea resorts. The multicolor Luna train, crazy mirror, carousel, balloon wheels, and mini parade ship are available for youngest visitors. Visitors of all ages may enjoy the popular bumper cars, Flying Swinger, Junior Coaster, and Music Express. The Serenity Fun City Resort is located 36 kilometers from Hurghada International Airport. On request, on airport pickup and drop-off service are provided for free. There is a free parking at the property. That was all for today. We hope this video was helpful for you. Please check this video description very detailedly. There you will find the hotel prices and descriptions. You can find the cheapest flights, affordable transfer services, and car rentals in the video description. Thanks all for watching. Bye bye.